Hello class 10. Today we will start chapter 5, that is e-commerce. So here we study meaning of e-commerce. So e-commerce, or it can be also called electronic commerce. So it means all the commercial transaction that is taken or that is conducted over a network by using computer, laptop, or like any telecommunication. So that is called e-commerce. So e-commerce, means commercial transaction in which you have to order or you have to place an order through electronical gadgets and goods and services. It will be delivered in tangible or electronic form to your house or to your door. Next is benefit of e-commerce over traditional commerce. So global reach or global choice. So here the boundaries for electronic business, it cannot be defined by geographical or by national boundaries. So a supplier from all over the country or all over the world, they can supply their goods in a electronical commerce, and even the like a smaller supplier, they also achieve global presence and they also conduct business through worldwide. Second is improve competitiveness, quality of service. In electronic business, it enables supplier to improve competitiveness by becoming closer to customer. So it is very simple example that if the supplier, they are closer to customer or they are like a providing them services after like a post sale of a product, like a with increased level of product information or guidance of a product use and rapid response to customer inquiries. So these can improve competitiveness or quality of a service. Then third is mass customizations, personalized product and services. So in a customization or personalized product, here the supplier, they can gather detail of information on the network of each individual and they can provide the services to the customer after or like a before selling the product. So this can result in customized product and comparable to those offered by specialized supplier, they make at a mass market price. So one simple example we can take of a like an online magazine that is tailored for the individual reader. So they collect the information of the reader or like a person who have a potential or who is interested. So according to the need and requirement, they will provide the all the article to that particular person. Then we have shorten or eradicate supply chains, rapid response to needs. So here in electronic business, it often allowed traditional supply chains to be shortened dramatically, because here in a like a electronical business, the manufacturer directly provided goods to the customer. So like a they does not have any like a wholesaler or like a warehouses. So it directly gives goods to the from manufacturer to the customer. So it also shorten and eradicate supply chains. Then fifth, we have a substantial saving reduction. So this is the one of the major contribution in electronic business, that they can reduce the cost of a product. So here they can have a reduction of a cost, while in business transaction in which they have a human interaction, it can cost in like a dollars, but in electronical transaction they can have a less interaction with the customer, and in that way they can save they can save or they can reduce the cost of a product. Then we have a novel business opportunities, new product and services. Then we have a 6 novel business opportunities, new product and services. So here in electronical or like in electronical business, they used to provide redefine the market and they used to provide the services on like a in an electronical business. They provide opportunities for new product and like a services. Example include net work supply and support service, directory service, contact services. So they provide all these type of services to the customer. Seventh is convenience. So on internet, the people or like the customer, they can do the shopping 24 hours less 7 days or 365 day a week. So there is not any like of off day. Whenever they want and whatever time they want, they can purchase a good. So this is a flexibility that is provided in a electronical business. Then we have a paperless society. So in a e-business, it reduce independence on paperwork. So through electronical business, they reduce the paperless society. So all this taxpayer and they used to file return on electronical gadgets. So government they used to grant license and they approve the without much paperwork. So here in electronical business you can purchase goods without like a much interference of a government. Then we have a 9 speed. So in a internet buying you have a speed of a goods. So you need to just click the mouse and then the information it can be directly exchanged and you can get your goods like a within a day or like a within a hours. That we have a 10 is lower investment. So to start a e-business it is much more easier than using a traditional business, because in a e-business you does not require capital and a firm. It can be a small also, you can have a small firm, and in that you need only internet technology. In e-business network firms are more efficient than a network firms. So for today homework is you have to do question number 1 in short and long answer question.